Ladies and gents, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe while you're here. Helps out the program. Today, we're taking the R50, the 1955, my beauty, over to Scotty's workshop in Santa Clara, San Jose. He is kind of one of the experts when it comes to these old /2 bikes. And I'm getting ready to sell this one because we need some more equipment and the shop needs to take another step forward. So the R50 is going up for sale. If you know anyone looking for that rare 55, tell them to get at me, because in a couple weeks this baby will be on eBay. But yeah, let's take a ride over and see what Scotty's got going on. I suppose I should show you what I'm going to have him do. The first thing is those old rusty spokes are going to get replaced. And the second thing, I have the carburetors off of it. He's going to rebuild those. And thirdly, I think we're going to switch out this tail light. This tail light is incorrect for the year. It should be a little shorter. So we're going to, he said he has a couple in stock, so we'll see and have him do that. But yeah, other than that, you know, just freshening it up. It has a small oil leak from the oil pan, so probably just a new gasket on that. And we'll go from there, see if he finds anything else. I haven't rode this bike for a year, exactly, today. Popped up on my old Facebook memories. 1 year ago today, I was out cruising on it. All right, we are here. This is Scotty's workshop. All right, boys, she's in the trusty hands of Scotty now. And he's got all kinds of goodies out here. All right, ladies and gents, we are back in the shop and seeing what we can get into this afternoon. I've been working on the 250, super stoked. It runs really good. I rode it around the yard yesterday with the fuel bottle. It was awesome. Waiting on the Caswell for the tank, because we're going to have to reline that, and the air filter, and I got to get a seat cover. But let's start working on the cosmetics of this thing. So like I was saying, I want to work on the cosmetics. I'm going to go get the fenders, and we'll see what we got going on there. I was playing around with this light that I have, and conveniently, it plugs right in to the factory harness. And I don't have a headlight for it, but I'm thinking maybe we can make one. Uno's gonna help. Huh, buddy? You gonna help? Alright, so here's the fenders for the 250. Like I said, we're gonna order a seat cover. But my initial plan was to cut the fenders. But the more I look at it, there's not a ton missing. And I wonder if I have any plastic laying around where I could just make a piece and kind of stitch it in there. I know it's not going to look great, but it just seems like a shame to cut this side all the way off and it's not even cracked or anything. Then I could also take this off, and that would make it look less goofy. Alright, so I started working on the fenders here, and I'm just mocking up something out of cardboard that sort of matches, and I'm going to decide whether I should make it out of metal, or I don't really have any plastic laying around, but maybe I'll do some more looking. Alright, ladies and gents, that's going to be a wrap for tonight. I got some ideas mocked up for the headlight, which is good, and I held off and didn't do anything with the fenders. I want to look around some more and see if I can find some plastic. If not, I guess we can use some metal, but I'd rather use plastic. As always, thanks for tuning in. If you're new, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.